Hi, I'm Joe Denler, General Counsel for the Elite family of companies and the Claims Director for the InterNACHI RPG insurance program. Today we're going to talk a little bit about the standard of care and how that applies to your daily work. The standard of care is generally derived by your state. If you are in a state that is regulated, you are obligated to use those standards of practice. If you're in a state that doesn't have its own standards of practice, then we strongly encourage you to incorporate the InterNACHI standards of practice into all of your business documents. The standard of care is what a judge, jury, or an arbitrator is going to use to decide whether or not you did your job properly and effectively. If you're in a state that has its own regulations, you are obligated to use those standards of care, and it's those standards of care that are going to be presented to a judge, jury, or an arbitrator to decide whether you did your work properly. If you're in a state that's not regulated, the judge, jury, or arbitrator would then be able to consider the InterNACHI standards of practice as the standards of practice that should apply to your work. If you're in a state that has regulations but does not have a particular standard of care, there again you can use the InterNACHI standards of practice as your primary means of delivering your work product to your client. Thanks, and I hope this helps you in the future.